Good morning. Coming to you from another wet open house. So we're here at 4148 Alderwood Place, conducting an open house. This is a big one too, at about 2,600 square feet. Welcome, as you know you always are. So let's walk into the home. So now we're inside. Yeah, you see that? And the first thing you notice are what? These beautiful hardwood floors. You'll also notice that there is an ensuite downstairs, mother-in-law suite, whatever you want to call it, with a full bath and a room. Upon entering the home, you will also notice the formal dining. And then directly off of the formal dining room, you have the butler's pass-through pantry area, whatever you want to call it, which I love. Have a little bar set up over here. And then you have your pantry. Now we move into the family room and the very large kitchen area. And again, look at this. Snacks and water, because we come to play. This home boasts gorgeous views of the mountains. And as you can see, these views are unobstructed. You can see clear out. It's a little hazy today, but still. Moving upstairs, we're able to see the very large loft or second family room, whatever you want to do with it. And then we pan around to see the bedrooms. Another full bath. Here's an additional bedroom. And here we have the master bedroom. Very large space. Oh my goodness, look at that view. Beautiful. Then we move into the master bath. Garden tub with shower. Me in the shot. Hi. And this very large closet. And anyone who knows me knows how important this is. When considering this home, it's important to note the upgrades that have been added throughout, such as the hardwood flooring, cabinetry, and plantation shutters that can be seen in rooms throughout the home. And again, I mean, you really can't say enough about the view. It's not added, it's natural, it was there. But the way that the home is positioned, your view will never be obstructed. Still here in the backyard, I want to show you guys something. This is my absolute most favorite feature of this home, and I don't think I've seen it in any home in this neighborhood. The garage goes straight through to the back. Look at that. Well, there you have it, folks. That was 4148 Alderwood Place. And who do we have there?